So we're on our way. Kinda. We've backed out of the driveway. We're sitting here on the road while Greg fiddles with his tom-tom.
I have to program in Belleville because you won't let me use your tom-tom.
Good Lord. You may use my tom-tom. So this is 15 North Masonic Street. This is the site of the first Masonic Lodge here in Belleville. And it is the site. The Harrigal House. The son of a Prussian immigrant, Emil H. Harrigal, Sr., 1859-1904, opened a hardware store, tinware and stove emporium in Belleville in 1881. Soon after, he constructed this residence for his wife, Nanny Louise Lovett, and children. The home features a mansard roof and influences of the Gothic Revival and Second Empire styles of architecture. Harrigal family descendants have owned the house for over a century. Oak Knoll Cemetery. Frederick William, 1800-1854, and Marie Louise Stark, 1827-1894, Lund purchased 697 acres here in 1848. When Frederick died in 1854, he was buried on this homestead just east of their log home. A year later, Marie married John Siegfried, 1821-1898. As the need arose, the Siegfrieds offered the use of their site for burials. In 1870, a small parcel was deeded to the fathers of 3 interred children. In 1889, as more burial plots were sold, an association was formed that has, since those early days, overseen the funding, the layout, the growth, and the care of the site that chronicles the lives of generations of Belleville citizens. Site of First Belleville Masonic Lodge building.